$250,000 is how much I made in the past month with meme coins. So if you are dreaming of making a ton of money like me, just keep watching because I'm going to show you the step by step on how to do it. In today's day and age, you are not going to get rich trading meme coins. These influencers are lying to you. The only way they make money from meme coins is because you buy the coins they're already loaded up on. And then after that, they just sell on your heads. It hurts my heart seeing my friends lose thousands of dollars every single day trading meme coins just because they're buying coins someone else created for $2 or $3. Like, what is stopping the creator from just selling it all and making a quick profit? Nothing. For example, this coin right here a couple minutes ago, someone just made a quick bag off rugging it. Now that's exactly why I switched to this new strategy. Now I can turn a couple $100 into thousands of dollars or even life-changing money with just a couple launches. The reason why I stopped trading meme coins and I started launching them is because, first of all, you have nothing to lose. The only thing you have to lose is your time. And second of all, it's because it's free money, bro. Okay, it's literally free money. You just have to launch a coin and then remove the liquidity and you walk away with thousands of dollars. But of course, this is all for educational purposes only to show you how it's done. So please do not copy me. But if you are desperate and you want to make some money, if you know what I mean, well, you can do it if you want. But yeah, now it's time to cut all the bullshit and to head straight to the point. So to launch a coin, okay, you want to come to Google and search launch tokens.fun. You will end up on this website right here, and this is the exact website where everyone is using to launch their coins on the Raydium DEX. If you don't know, the Raydium DEX is 100 times better than Pump.Fun because Pump.Fun is too saturated and no big investors are gonna buy your coins since the market caps are extremely low. And if you're launching your coins on the Raydium DEX, you will get a way higher market cap. I can even prove that to y'all. So if I go to trending on my photon and I go on the Pump.Fun DEX, just look at the market cap, 6k, 14k, 15k. Okay, it's all low. But if we go on the Raydium DEX, the market caps are extremely high. 3 million, 9 million, 30,000, 40,000, 300,000, 100,000. Okay, you have to be making coins on launchtokens.fun/Raydium DEX if you want to make some money. Okay, so this website is going to be your tool that you will be using to print thousands. So for example, here you can make your coin manually by putting the token name, token symbol, token image. So if Trump or Elon Musk or something big happened where you could make a coin here and make thousands. But if you are lazy like me and you want to make a coin super fast with no marketing required and make some fucking shit ton of money, you can come to the third tab, to the copy coins feature right here, and you can duplicate any coin you want that has a good narrative. So in general, all these coins have a good narrative, so you are guaranteed to make some money if you duplicate them. But all these meme coins have already proven to work on Pump.Fun, so it's almost guaranteed they'll perform well on Raydium too, especially since they're about to migrate. So all these coins are all good concepts to make money. Okay, now this coin right here especially just caught my attention. Andy on Sol, it has 2.5k replies, which is absolutely insane. This is actually, I never saw this before. Okay, it has $20,000 in market cap. So I'm gonna duplicate this coin and make some money. Okay, so create coin here, then go inside your phantom. Whoops, I think oh no. Then a warning will pop up. This is completely normal. Just proceed anyway and continue. Confirm. I understand. Confirm. Then your coin is being created shortly. Just like wait type shit. Okay, copy here. Click on create liquidity pool because you want to make your coin tradable on the blockchain. Then it's already selected. Here click on max because you want 1 billion coins in the liquidity pool, and the amount token B right here is actually the amount of liquidity that you're buying in with your own money. Since you'll be the first buyer inside your coin, you are not losing the money right here that you're putting in. So I like to put 0.5 Solana here. You can obviously put like 0.3 or 1 Solana or more. I'm just gonna put 0.5. You are not losing this money. Then you want to click on create pool. then click on confirm, and then click on refresh. And as you can see, your coin is already live. You're already $20 in profit. Now click on view on Photon, and then now your coin is live. What the fuck? Okay, it's already pumping a lot. A bunch of buyers are coming in right now. This is a good sign. Okay, it's pumping. Let's fucking go. Oh my god, it's pumping a lot. This is a really good sign. Okay, so it's pumping a lot. So if you want to check your profits, you can actually come to launch tokens.fun, click on the refresh button, and as you can see, I'm $40 up in profit. Now just wait for more buyers. Just be patient. Oh crap, it's going down, crap. Okay, it's going back up, let's go. Oh my god, it's pumping! It's so fucking high right now. Let me check my profits real quick. $100. Okay. More buyers, and then I'm gonna remove the equity because this is absolutely absurd. Oh my god, someone just sold. Okay, one more buy and then I'm going to remove the equity. Fuck it. Okay, come back to launchtokens.fun, click on that minus button, do 100% remove the equity. Come on, go fast before someone sells. Come on, bro. Come on. Confirm. And boom, we just remove the liquidity, and that's exactly how you print money out of thin air. And if I open my Phantom wallet, just to prove that I'm not, bullshitting, $430 is inside my wallet. At the beginning I had $150, so I profited around $300 on this coin. LaunchTokens.fun is linked in the comments down below or in the description. If you want to enter the 15 Solana giveaway, just make sure to like, comment your Solana address, and subscribe, and then join my Telegram down below, and yeah, bye.